Happy St. Patrick's Day to you. Let's start today with a little bit of math. Actually, let's do math the whole time. Today's mini lesson takes place in the GoMath book. So pause the video right now if you need to, and go get your GoMath book. Okay, so we are going to start on page 675 on lesson 11.9. 11.9 is all about finding a rectangle's area that has the same perimeter as another rectangle, but a different area. All right, so let us dive right in. Now, bear with me on the technology. I'm going to do my best here to help you. So I'm switching screens here. And I'm putting my laptop down so I can write on it. So let me take off the goofy hat and the bow. And let's begin. So, as you can see on my screen, I have the bottom half of that page, 675. This is so that I can write on it. So, you're asked to find the area of a sandbox that's greater than any other area, but still has a perimeter of 12. All right, so the key to understanding this lesson is to understand what does it mean to have a bigger area. Well, if you think about it, area is length times width. Area is how many squares you can fit into something. Are you going to be able to fit a lot of squares in a shape that's skinny and long like this one that's 1 by 5? Let's just see here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that shape might have a perimeter of 12, but it's only got an area of 5. So that's what we're going to put in the first one, 5 square feet. What if we could create a more square shape? So rather than a 1 by 5, let's add 1 to the width. And if we add 1 to the width, we just have to take 1 away from the length. Because remember, they still have to add up to 12. So let's just draw a picture of that. Let me grab a black pen here. So we got 1, 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4. And I could easily count these if I didn't want to multiply. And I would get 8. So sandbox 2 is going to be 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. That is 12. So we're still honoring the 12 feet like we need to. But now we've just made our area a little bit bigger because we got 2 by 4. So 8 square feet, not bad. Can we make a bigger sandbox though? Not like more wood or anything. We can't use more wood, but can we make it a different shape so that it has a bigger area? Well, let's do the same thing that we did. We added a foot to the width. So now we have a 3-foot width, but if we add a foot to the width, we have to take away a foot from the, I can hear you saying it, take away a foot from the length. So now we've got a 3 by 3. So let's just draw a quick picture of that. So we got 3 feet by 3 feet. All right, I'm like Professor Burger. And I can quickly count that or multiply, whatever you want. I got 9. How about you? So let's just double check here. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 makes 12. Success. 3 by 3 equals 9. 9 square feet. We're not going to be able to make another sandbox. That's the best we can do. 9 square feet is the largest area. So the area of sandbox 3 is the greatest. So Toby should build a sandbox that is 3 feet wide and 3 feet long. Now, I wish I had more time, but because I want these videos to be quick, I want us to do things together, I want it to keep it light. Let me just tell you that the more square, all right, the squarer you make something, hopefully you can see my square, the greater the area, right? So just think about this. long and skinny might be the same amount of wood, but it's going to have a smaller area. So you're always going to try to maximize your area by making things more square. Okay? Now let's flip all the way to the back to the practice page. So boom, 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 boom. Oh, I went too far. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Here it is. And let me make a quick snip here. New snip. And I'm going to make it like that. Here we go. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. All right, so you can see that now. Okay, so we got to go quick here. I don't want this video to last too long. The area of the first one, they found out for us. It was 12 units, so that's 3, 3. Obviously, this side's 3 and 3, so 3 times 4, that's the perimeter. That gets you 12. But the area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's going to give us 9 square units. How about we try to find rectangle B? So rectangle B, perimeter. Let's see. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, look at that. It's the same as shape A. Go figure, right? We've got the same perimeter in both these rectangles. That's what today's lesson is all about. But we're going to have different areas, I can guarantee you that. So let's find out. The length is 4. The width is 1, 2. Do you see that? So you've got 4 times 2. That's going to give you your area. What is 4 times 2? Yes, it is. Well done. 8. And it's area. So we're measuring in square units. Which rectangle is going to have a greater area? Well, which one's bigger? 9 or 8? Ding, ding, ding. 9. So rectangle A. All right, so number 2, we got to solve both of these on our own. Rectangle A, it's a 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Perimeter, add up all the sides. You've got 1 plus 1, 4 plus 4. So that's 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 makes, 10 units. All right. I hear you, Campbell. Sorry, that's Campbell. What's the area? Well, the area is the number of squares we can fit in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that gives us 4 square units. Shape B now. Already, I can tell by looking at shape B, it's more square. So it's probably going to have a bigger area. Let's see if we're right. It's a 2 by 3. What's 2 plus 3? 5. And if these two sides were 2 plus 3 makes 5, the other two sides are going to be also 2 plus 3 makes 5. So if I can just double 5, I'm going to have my perimeter. Would you look at that? The perimeters are the same. Duh, Mr. R, that's what today's lesson is all about. Now let's find the area. Length times width. What's 2 times 3? Very good. 6. Now, don't forget your label. Area is always in square units, whether it's square feet, square inches, or in this case, they don't tell us, so it's just square units. Which rectangle has the greater area, 4 or 6? Well, it's going to be 6, so rectangle B is our answer. All right, so let's just quickly do the bottom here, and then we shall be done with today's lesson. So, oh, I messed up here. Let me scroll down to the bottom. And we'll take these 2 problems. You know what? Let me do that again. I'm going to give myself some more room to work with here. All right, here we go. Zoom in. We are almost done, folks. So, Tara's and Jody's bedrooms are shaped like rectangles. That's cool. Tara's bedroom is 9 feet long and 8 feet wide. Jody's bedroom is 7 feet long and 10 feet wide. Whose bedroom has the greater area? All right, nothing to do with perimeter this time, although we could still find it if we wanted to. It's just whose has the greater area. So let's just find Tara's first. So Tara is going to be 9 by 8. What's 9 times 8? That's fast math here. Number facts, 72 square feet. All right, now we got to find Jody's. So Jody's, which is J, 7 times 10. What is 7 times 10? Good, it's 70. So, whose bedroom has the greater area? Well, which is bigger, 72 or 70? Very good, 72. So, Tara's. Now, this is what gets kids, all right? Explain. Well, let's just keep it simple. Tara's, because 72 is greater than 70. That's simple, right? You could have also said Tara's because her room is more square. Remember, that's the whole point of today's lesson. The more square something is, the bigger the area is going to be. So you could have wrote Tara's because her dimensions are more square than Jody's. All right, we don't need to do number 4. So that's today's lesson. I hope that some of it sticks with you. Remember, none of this is mandatory. It's just extra to help you out. So thank you so much. I'll be coming out with another lesson tomorrow, and we're just going to keep rolling. Even though we're not in school, we're going to keep learning together, all right? Have a great day. Stay healthy. I love you guys. Bye.